you guys, it's Channon Rose, and in today's video, I am going to be sharing with you what is in my hospital bag for baby number 2. This is not your average what's in your hospital bag, so just be forewarned. The last time I packed a hospital bag, for one, I totally overpacked and brought all the wrong things. So I didn't even use half of what was in my hospital bag, but I'm gonna be doing a total separate video on what I actually used in my hospital bag. So this new hospital bag video will kind of give you an idea of what I think is more important to bring. This is this Coach bag. This was gifted to me. I absolutely love it. It's great quality. I've had it for a really long time. We are just gonna open it up. I'm gonna give you a little sneak peek of what's in here. Okay, we're gonna first start with the essentials. And first and foremost, what I'm pulling out of my hospital bag first is the party. This is literally the party that's in my bag, because let me tell you something. This is not a water bottle. This holds alcohol. And the reason I'm bringing this and sneaking it into my hospital bag is because once this baby comes out, girl, we are gonna be celebrating, okay? This has been a journey and a half. And if you wanna celebrate when you know, after you give birth, you might wanna cheers. Anyway, kind of joking, obviously. This is the world's first triple insulated bottle. You could put vodka in here, whatever, and then this is like an actual little shot glass that you can use. Are you kidding? Like, we're gonna be doing it up like in the hospital after we give birth. I'm kidding, I plan to breastfeed. I do think you can also use this for drinks and water if you wanted to, but it actually is made for alcohol. So I thought that was really cool. And it's super nice and really well made, and it keeps your drinks cold for over 24 hours. So again, you can use this for wine, vodka, like whatever you want to keep cold. So I am actually bringing this in my hospital bag because I think it'll be nice to have like some of my own, I don't know what will be in here. Alcohol, juice, lemon water, just will depend on my mood. We'll see how that goes. But Brewmate was nice enough to sponsor this video, so thank you so much, Brewmate. And also, I just wanted to show you some of the other that they make, because if you wanna be super bouge, they have ones like this, which I love this color, by the way. So you can put like your White Claws in here, Red Bull, and they have different ones, so you can like match, get your wine and your Red Bull or whatever you're drinking. So these are nice to like throw in your purse or your bag, like when you go out, if you want to keep your drinks cold, this is a great way to do it. And they make them in a lot of different colors. They have a white one, which is really cute. And then this one is a wine insulator, super fancy. And then last but not least, there's a whole other one over here too. Freaking A. Ugh. Okay, this one's super cool too that they make. Splash proof. This holds half a bottle of wine. You guys, like, no one would even know that there's wine in here. You can be so sneaky. So you just open it like this, drink your drink, girl. You can have this in the hospital just chilling as you're like holding your baby and just like sipping on your wine, and like no one would know. You can also put other drinks in here, not just wine. But it is made for wine. So it has a splash proof lid, keeps your drinks at the perfect temperature, holds over half a bottle of wine, includes a splash proof lid, and works with hot and cold beverages. Oh, that's really cool. So like if you wanted like coffee or tea, this would be really nice to have. I'm actually gonna try this for coffee, because that's really cool to keep your coffee hot. My coffee always gets cold. When you have kids, like your coffee, you heat up like a million times. Am I right? If that happens to you, please let me know in the comments. This one is called Uncorked, I believe, and this is in Carrera. So this is the dehydration company, Brewmate. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video. Definitely go check them out, Rose fam. I'll leave a link down below if you want to get any of these. You can check out their website. Without further ado, let's get into what else is in my hospital bag, because there's some other fun goodies in here. A big thing that I realized that I was gonna do differently for this hospital bag is to bring snacks and not just like a power bar or something, or a protein bar. I'm like fully bringing like real ass snacks in my bag, because I was starving in labor. For one, I couldn't eat anything. So after I gave birth, I was so hungry. All I could think about was food. And I want to like have snacks, like good snacks ready, not just like a little chip bag. Like I will eat this whole thing. These are so good, by the way. These late July jalapeno lime chips, they're vegan, delicious. So that is gonna be in my bag. Also, we all know I'm a junk food vegan, right? I'm also packing some vegan jerky. I like the maple bacon one. This is from Louisville. It's delicious, like it's so good. This is gonna be so bomb after I give birth and I'm like starving. I'm gonna have all these like good ass snacks, like heck to the yeah. And then I am bringing a protein bar because I gotta have protein. I'm gonna be trying to breastfeed. A chocolate bar. These are really good. This is the cashew butter pure vanilla bean dark chocolate by HU. That's what it's called. I don't know. I got it from Whole Foods. It's expensive as hell, but it's really yummy. All this like vegan junk food is expensive, but to me it's worth it because it tastes really good. Okay, next up is Aquaphor. This is like a huge tub of Aquaphor because they say to bring chapstick. I lose my chapstick. I need like a big ass chapstick that I can't lose. So I'm putting this in my bag and it'll be really easy when my lips are super chapped. Everyone always says to bring chapstick. It's true, you should have chapstick in your hospital bag. But for me, I just like lose shit. And also if like sister's with me or whoever, be like, can you grab the big tub of Aquaphor for my lips? And then I'm probably also gonna want it for my nipples because they're gonna be sore as hell. So yeah, have that in there. Fruit snacks. The snacks are key, guys, I'm telling you. Oh, okay, this is another fun thing. This is a little name sign. You know how like everyone takes the, oh shit, you know what I'm missing in this bag? The little like letter thing that I did with Snow, the first picture with the how much they weighed, what time they were born, their name, all that stuff. I need that, but then I also got this. It says, hello, my name is Storm. Storm is the name of our baby in here. This is from Something You Would Love on Instagram, makes these and they're so cute. So I have that in here. I have a pair of little like cozy, warm, fuzzy socks. These are not like the safe ones. They don't have this little grippy things on the bottom. I'll probably have my slippers with me like when I'm in there. I'm not gonna really walk around in socks, but these are the Cozy Warrior ones. If you don't know, we couldn't get pregnant on our own. We went through IVF and this is a nonprofit organization that supports women going through IVF. You can like buy socks to support them. They give grants and stuff. It's really cool. It's a great nonprofit. So wanted to bring these and support them. And then, okay, oh, Storm's going home outfit. So you have to, I mean, you don't have to. By the way, you don't even need to bring a hospital bag really. The hospital has everything. I probably should have said that. You're gonna hear that in so many hospital bag videos that you watch. Is like, the hospital has everything you need. They do, it's so true. You don't even need to bring a toothbrush because they have that there too. A coming home outfit you're gonna need. So you could just do like your typical onesie or whatever. But for Snow, I got like a custom going home outfit for her off Etsy, and then I did one this time too for Storm. So this is his little hat, and then it's got his initials, and then I just think this is so cute. It's a little Burt's Bees outfit. I don't even remember the name of the Etsy store, I'm so sorry, but if you go on Etsy, there's tons of companies that make these like going home outfits that are custom, and you can personalize them with their names or their initials. This is just super cute, and I'll probably take a picture of him in this also. So that's his going home outfit. And then for me, I'm most likely gonna be having a C-section. I know it sounds like I can't breathe out of my nose. It's because I can't. I'm like so congested and swollen. They say to just wear something super comfortable and not really pants because it can like go over your incision and it's really painful. So I brought this in case I'm feeling fancy. This is actually a maternity dress that I love from A Pia in a Pod. It's kind of fancy, it's a little pricey, but it's really beautiful. And I'll probably even wear it after. It kind of looks like a grandma dress, but I'm really into that right now. I just think, ooh, hi baby. He's like kicking me really hard. I have like a fancy one if I'm feeling fancy, or if I'm like over it. It's so exhausted. I also brought, oh, here it is. This is just like, so these little nursing bras are amazing. I think I get them from like Target or something. What brand are they? I don't even know. I'll try to link everything down below, by the way. These are the Auden ones. I got in large. Might just wear that and nothing else with like a pair of Depends or some diapers or whatever they have in there. And then this is just like a romper, you know, just to wear this like little nursing bra and a romper so that my incision is not uncomfortable to go home in. And then I also brought like a cardigan in case it's cold. I love this cardigan. It's so comfy. I got it off Amazon. They make it in a bunch of different colors. And then some postpartum underwear. They're actually maternity underwear, but I bought some high-waisted panties, but they haven't come in yet, specifically for C-section. I also brought this little, it's like a long nightgown thing, but it's super soft and comfortable and easy to nurse in, because I'm probably gonna have to be in the hospital for a couple days. When you have a C-section, they make you stay a little bit longer. Just pajamas. I might not even end up wearing those. I might just end up wearing like the hospital gown that they have you in anyways, but at least I have like some clothes to go home in, and then snacks. What's also not packed in this bag yet, because I'm still using it until I have to go to the hospital, is a phone charger, like the really long, like 10-foot ones. I also bought some lollipops, like Dum-Dums, to have just to like snack on, because I've really been into those lately. And I'm sure I'm missing a couple things, but for the most part, like, this is my hospital bag. This is what's gonna be in here. Again, like diapers and wipes and everything that you can think of, like the Dermaplast spray. I brought all that stuff to the hospital. Tucks, pads, I mean, oh, and my toiletry bag. That's one thing I'm missing. So like my toothbrush and deodorant and stuff, but that's probably all I'll bring is like toothbrush and deodorant, because everything else I'll just use at the hospital, like their soap, whatever, it's like 1 or 2 days, I don't care. They have all that stuff at the hospital, and I need room in here to bring some of that stuff home, because you pay for that at the hospital, you know, like all the, I think they gave me like 2 bottles of that Dermaplast spray for your vag. Can you use that on a C-section incision? I don't know. I'm gonna have to ask my doctor. And then the other thing I am bringing is this, because I plan to eat my placenta. I'm just kidding, I'm not gonna. Well, I'm kind of eating it, I guess. So this is mommy made encapsulation. This is really cool. A lot of people have been doing this lately. There's so many benefits. I know it sounds like kind of primal and gross to some people. I really wish I would have saved my placenta with snow, but I didn't. This time around, I'm definitely saving it, and I'm gonna encapsulate it, which basically means that I'm gonna send it off to this company, and they are going to make it into like vitamins. Basically, they like dry it out, grind it up into a powder, put it in vitamins, and you take it, and it's actually supposed to really help put a lot back of the nutrients that you lose during labor back into your system. You should definitely check into it and do some research to see how beneficial it can be. I have heard from my midwives, who are amazing, that one of her births that she had, she took them and her body like really needed it, and so she felt so much better when she took her placenta pills, kind of like a vitamin. She said, I felt like so much better after taking those. And then her second kid, I guess her body didn't really need them, and so she felt like she had drinking like 2 cups of coffee when she took the placenta pills, so she just didn't take them. So really, I think everybody's body's different, every pregnancy is different, but I wanted to try it because I felt like shit after I had snow. My body was going through so many like hormonal changes, and just like I did not feel right. It took a while for me to like feel normal again, and so I'm kind of hoping that the trying to take the placenta, I don't know, I'm just gonna try it, in pills helps me. So this amazing company, again, is called Mommy Made. They send you this like chest, and you take it with you to the hospital. They make it so easy, by the way. There's little cooler packs in here that it comes with, and then it comes with this here. You open it up. Okay, there we go. To put your placenta in, and then it keeps it fresh and cold. And I guess like right when you are going into labor, like you contact them and just say like, hey, guess what? Like I'm going into labor. And then they send somebody to the hospital to come pick up your placenta. And they send you a bottle of all of your placenta, basically in vitamin form, and you take it. It's really cool, and it's very reasonably priced. Would highly recommend. I'll try to link this down below as well. So yeah, I think that concludes everything that's in my hospital bag. Again, I might be forgetting a few things, but for the most part, again, like I'm not even really too concerned about it, because I feel like the hospital is gonna have everything in case I forgot something. You know, I'll be fine. So anyway, let me know what was something interesting and unique that you put in your hospital bag that maybe others wouldn't. Me is kind of like the BrüMate, like the wine thing is such a good idea though. Like honestly, this is genius. Am I the only one that has talked about this in a video? Because like people celebrate after they have their children. Like why not drink to celebrate? You haven't been able to drink for 9 months. Like girl, treat yourself. You deserve it. You went through a lot. You just gave birth. I think it's kind of fun to be able to sneak this into the hospital. Are you allowed to have alcohol? Probably not. I don't know. I'm probably such a bad influence, but anyway, you could still use this for other things to keep your drinks cold. So thank you again, BrüMate, for sponsoring this video. I am sending you guys all my love and all my positive energy. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Mwah.